Hey folks, as always, welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Sorry guys, it's been a while since I had a video posted whatsoever. I've been pretty much busy with this car all winter, and done a little bit of little cosmetic changes, which I'm gonna talk about here shortly. And so anyhow, this segment is basically to talk about those little things that I've done, very cheap, easy mods that I've done cosmetically to get this car looking a lot sharper than what it is now. So anyhow, stay tuned.